Understanding direct heat, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, direct heat. This phrase is used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help you improve your English fluency. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning of direct heat. Direct heat refers to a method of cooking or heating where the heat source is in immediate contact with the food or object being heated. Unlike indirect heat, where the heat surrounds the food, direct heat involves a straightforward, immediate transfer of heat. Think of grilling on a barbecue or cooking on a stove. These are classic examples of using direct heat. In cooking, direct heat is often used for quick cooking methods. For instance, grilling, cooking food on a grill over open flames. Sautéing, cooking food quickly in a pan over high heat. Broiling, cooking food under direct heat in an oven. These methods typically create a crispy, browned exterior on food, adding flavor and texture. Beyond cooking, direct heat can also refer to other situations where heat is applied directly. For example, industrial processes, directly heating materials to form or treat them. Personal care, using a hair straightener or curler, which applies direct heat to hair. Understanding the context is crucial when interpreting direct heat. In cooking, it implies a specific technique, while in industrial settings, it could mean a very different process. The key is to look at the surrounding words and situation to understand the exact meaning. And that's a wrap on direct heat. I hope this video helps clarify how and where this phrase is used in English. Whether you're in the kitchen experimenting with recipes or discussing different heating methods, remembering these explanations will surely enhance your English communication skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.